Love the earth as you would love yourself. I am the Mother Earth. I am the only planet in solar system where life exists. But sadly, day by day, I am getting sick due to the pollution. But how lucky I am to have friends like you all who are putting so much activities and nurturing the earth through which I am reviving again like elocution on earth, World Heritage, Plantation Drive, Self-Composed, Poem on Earth Week. I saw many students showing their love for Mother Earth. No earth, no birth. Protect me, plant more trees. Me as your Mother Earth would love to see you all praying to save me from all the calamities. So there come the kiddos of WGS.
Good morning everyone, I am Sandhya Singhal and I am Aradhya Singhal. Today we are here to start our day with Gayatri Mantra. So join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Swaha Tasya Visturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Let us start with our morning prayer. Ma Saraswati Vardandhu Hamko Naval Utthandhu Ye Vishwa Hi Parivar Ho Sabke Liye Sam Pyar Ho Adarsh Lakshya Mahan Ho Ma Saraswati Vardandhu Man Buddhi Vidya Pavitra Ho Hamara Mahan Charitra Ho Vidya Vinay Vardhan Do Ma Saraswati Vardhan Do Ma Shadi Hansasini Vageshwina Vadini Hamko Agam Swargyan Do Ma Saraswati Vardhan Do Hamko Naval Utthan Do. Thank you.
Now we will head towards the PowerPoint presentation where my friends of Wisdom Global School will show the importance of Earth Day and ways to save resources which are very beneficial for all of us. Wow! It was an enlightened presentation. Now you all know how you can save resources. For me, let's proceed to know how we can save water, electricity, trees and use of wind in our daily life. Students of Wisdom Global School will come in different attire to show the particular role.
Good morning to our respected principals, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Shanti Jain from class 6th Lotus. Today I will be delivering on a short speech. I am a tree, I can be small, I can be tall, whatever kind but I like by all. I give oxygen, I give air, I give love whomsoever care. I take care of each as if I am one, from seedling to fully grown, from cherries to berries, from apple to grapes. I know trees are not beautiful junks. I give different fruits and grow in different shape with colorful leaves and brown trunk. I need water, soil, space and light. I give them those things day and night. So please save me, save the earth. We are the guardians of nature gift. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shinaya. I am from grade 3. The topic of my poem is water. Water is clearly a mystery to me. A solid, a liquid, a gas. It's all three. Freeze it, warm it, boil it. You'll see Water is clearly a mystery to me. I am water. I am very precious to all of you. Without me, there's no future. Kindly save me. Thank you.
A pleasant good morning to all the viewers. So guess me who I am. I'll give you a hint. I am available in different shape, size and color. Sometimes I look very funny and cartoonish. You look for me when you are having some unwanted stuff. So I am a dustbin. A clean India would be the best tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. Shri Narendra Modi has launched the Swachh Bharat mission. Like him, I also want to keep my city clean. So friends, use me, use me, use me. A clean environment only have healthy benefits and also give us a healthy home to live in. So friends, we should not throw litter into the river, roads and in open places. So friends, don't be so mean. Keep the city clean by feeding the trash in me. By feeding the trash in me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aman Fogat. I study in class 2nd. My school name is Krishna Global School. Today I am playing the role of electricity bulb. Please save electricity and save our environment. Please switch off fans, bulbs, AC, coolers when not in use. I request everyone to please save electricity and water, as today I am playing the role of bulb. Thank you.
Thank you so much to all the speakers here for sharing their views and talent make our assembly a great success. Let's applaud for them and their efforts which helped me to feel happy. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to record my heartfelt thanks for Wisdom Global School for the right logistic support and guidance for Earth Day Assembly. I thank our Honorable Management Principal Mrs. Aarti Ma'am, Headmistress Mrs. Rajni Khanduja Ma'am, Event Coordinator Teacher for their heavy cooperation in the organization of this program. Thanks and God bless.